Senior journalist Rajdeep Sardesai had written an open letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis a couple of days back, criticizing his government's decision on the 4-day meat ban in Mumbai. Sardesai also brought up the sudden transfer of former Mumbai Police Commissioner Rakesh Maria on the 8th of September. The CM replied to Sardesai in his own open letter, saying that Sardesai's letter is an excellent example of how a section of the media, without having sound knowledge, bashes a government with an agenda. The CM's response led to the trend #Devendra slaps Rajdeep on Twitter.